Okay,
If
start.
you record a video
Start.
of me explaining all
Explain,
this
explain,
nonsense.
explain.
Okay.
Dork.
So we were doing 3 combinations before with these triangle dots here in blue. And we arrived at the conclusion that it's probably not the number of buttons you can press to the power of itself. It is this operation as cited by a textbook by John Conway, who is a famous mathematician. So I moved on to a system of 4 possible buttons. If you have to start on 1 button. You can't start on 2 buttons at once. You can only push 1 at a time. So the time of having pressed only 1 button, there are exactly 4 combinations, 4 possibilities. But from there, you have to press a different button. You can't press the same button again. So you have to go to one of the other 3. That leaves 3 possibilities for each possibility of how you started. So if you started at button 1, you have to go to either 2, 3, or 4. That means for each 4 possibilities of starting, there are 3 possibilities of where you could go from there. Meaning, at state 1, you have 4 possibilities. State 2, you have 4 times 3. That's 12 possibilities. If you count, there are 12 there. But once you go from there, there's only 2 buttons left to press. So there are 2 possibilities going here for each pathway. That means you multiply everything times 2. And once you get all the way to the end, almost, there's only 1 button to go. This is really easy to pick. You just pick the one you haven't pressed yet. So if you follow one of these pathways, let's go 2 to 1 to 3, then to 4. That is a whole sequence. That's one possibility that you picked. That's 1 down. So, if you have 4 buttons to press, the number of ways you can possibly press that is equal to precisely 24. Or this last number, 24. And, would you know it, look, we just derived what a factorial equation is. That is this operation over here. N with an exclamation point. That is what that means mathematically. Would you like me to test with 5? Or will you take my word for it?
Do you want me to cancel or do you want me to stop the recording there?
Keep recording.
The longer it goes, the harder it's gonna be to throw through Discord though, keep that in mind.
Okay. Stop recording then.